Bullish STEPN cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $2.25 and $4.90 by 2030. Market examiners accept GMT could reach $2.25 by 2025. Bearish STEPN market cost expectation for 2022 is 40 cents. STEPN presentation. As we probably are aware, this article is about STEPN cost expectation. On the whole, we should examine the essential presentation of this cash on the off chance that you need a decent profit from your productive speculation from it. STEPN, the principal NFT drive in light of the transition to procure idea, is a solid way of life application with social money and play to procure perspectives. Jerry Huang and Yan Rong, two Australian programming designers, helped to establish STEPN in August 2021. STEPN won the 2021 Solana Start Hacking rivalry prior to getting a $5 million financing round from private value behemoth Sequoia Capital. The Green Metaverse token, the STEPN's administration token, was made accessible on Solana in WAC 2022. Holders of GMT can recommend and settle on project headways and depository conveyance. Prior to making a STEPN cost, we inspect what is GMT. Also, STEPN specialized in major investigation. We should check it out. STEPN specialized examination. The STEPN token's value expectation is undeniably founded on a point-by-point assessment of its value outline and specialized examination, taking into account both the ongoing cost and verifiable patterns of the digital money. While inspecting the pattern lines, the costs have transcended the 200 mama line. The vertical gouache pattern line in the specialized examination is the most probable pattern after such a breakout, with the GMT value starting in market cap to challenge its new obstruction levels. These examinations are perky regardless of whether there is a common feeling of a bear market that could pervade the crypto business. The STEPN money and the typical cost are supposed to recuperate substantially more quickly than the in general crypto market cap, giving financial backers tremendous additions on both short and long-haul possessions. Besides, you should decide the sort of help and opposition levels that STEPN cost estimate experiences to make arrangements for its future. The even opposition can be recognized by how frequently the GMT esteem rises and falls during a vertical push. You can acquire even endorsement appraisals by monitoring how regularly STEPN value checks and strays from the current cost while falling. Gauging the market cap of an ADAX can help you to choose when to sell to exchange at the greatest expense. 1. Utilize MAMA STEPN cost conjecture not set in stone by MAMA. Moving midpoints are much of the time utilized by dealers to decide the speed and potential spots where the cost of GMT is probably going to switch from a slump or decline following an upsurge. 2. Utilize markers. Pointers can be utilized by dealers to help with STEPN cost expectation. Markers consider various elements, like span, amount, strength, and so on to foresee assuming that the STEPN will rise or decline. Exchanges can achieve movements and strength in any event, when they can't foresee the STEPN cost. STEPN crucial investigation. Merchants utilize specialized investigation to zero in on a resources exhibition, every now and again down to the moment on exchanging outlines, while principal research does the specific opposite. Exchanges are zoomed out. This gives them a complete information and comprehension of the resource and the association that upholds it. The real worth of a resource is what central investigation plans to distinguish. For instance, by considering various inward and outside rules, you might decide if a cryptographic money is overrated. You have without a doubt heard the proverb, put resources into individuals, not items. This citation basically catches the principal thought of the key investigation. Financial backers that stick to basic investigation contend that the primary indicator of a resource's future presentation is the organization's solidarity. For financial backers looking to buy reasonable resources, this is a superb strategy. There are many offers for GMT according to authentic information. The offer is improved on the grounds that it isn't covered. The whole mining biological system knows about the advantages of keeping up with the organization. There is no race to get to an affirmed hard cap at the present time. Possibilities for the web are balanced out thus. Along these lines, the worth of STEPN can increment, further guaranteeing environment development. More STEPN can be gotten to keep the environment working accurately. STEPN utilization is supposed to develop yearly, raising the money's worth. STEPN current cost. STEPN is as of now worth 50 cents USD. GMT has moved 0.53% as of now with an exchanging volume of $109,866,836. STEPN is as of now positioned 113 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $300,075,004 USD. STEPN value expectation 2022. STEPN, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The GMT cost conjecture for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to 75 cents. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging 70 cents in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is plausible soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. GMT is supposed to have a base worth of 60 cents. STEPN Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, STEPN GMT cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of GMT will before long outperform $1.25. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the GMT's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, GMT will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.10. STEPN Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $1.75 and GMT might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. GMT is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.60 and a low of $1.50 in 2024. STEPN Value Forecast 2025. In the event that STEPN effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money aficionados, the GMT coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, GMT will be green in 2025. The GMT is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $2.25, with a base cost of $2 and a typical cost of $2.10. STEPN Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the GMT cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $2.60 by 2026, with a base cost of $2.50 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, GMT has a greatest value worth of $2.75. STEPN Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $3.10. In the event that GMT figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $3.25. Neglecting to accumulate the help GMT needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $3. STEPN Value Expectation 2028. While GMT is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $3.50 and a yearly cost close above $3.75 in 2028. STEPN Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, STEPN will at long last outperform its past ATH values